Hey.
I'm really scared. It is like spicy.
Go over by Mom, she's got two.
They'll find you, Dylan. Dylan, you want mine? Come here. Give them to you.
Look, there's one right there. Look. Hey.
Ben, you got a bird. Does it hurt? Not at all?
No. Why don't move? Stop.
Oh my god!